being viewed in a living room, through a TV, and potentially with the use of a surround sound system such as 7:1 or 5:1. However, now more and more people are viewing them through portable devices such as mobiles, laptops, and tablets. This has come with the increase of popularity of streaming services such as Netflix and Amazon Prime. Over 13 million houses in the UK use at least one of these services, with over 30% of people viewing them on these portable devices. Whilst this does come with a lot of advantages, one major aspect of these films and TV shows that are being left out is the sound. As I stated previously, people may have been viewing this with the use of a surround sound system. However, there is currently no way of conveying surround sound through a mobile device, meaning that the viewers are missing out on what could be the full experience. Binaural audio is the only spatial audio format that can be played back over headphones, which is most likely how a lot of these viewers will be watching this content. This project set to determine what positional qualities a binaural plugin needs to create immersive and interesting content for film and TV. This was done by testing the positional accuracy of each plugin through listening tests. The listening tests carried out provided clear evidence that the binaural plugins used had a range of effectiveness when positioning audio around the listener. When analysing the exact accuracy of each plugin, Ambio Sennheiser was the most effective. While this would be easy to state as the best plugin from the test, further analysis showed that this wasn't the case. When the accuracy of the results were found at 0 and 180 degrees, it showed that Anaglyph was the most effective at positioning the sounds at these angles and performed far better than Ambio. Finally, when the range of accuracy was extended to plus or minus 45 degrees of the correct answer, showed that mounted VR was the most accurate. So whilst clear differences have been found between these plugins, more subjective testing will need to be done to determine what will make them best for broadcast. The most interesting and unexpected result found when analysing the data was each plugin's ability to produce sounds more effectively at different angles. For example, Ambio was the best at positioning sounds to the left and right of the listener, whilst Anaglyph was far better at producing sounds in front and behind. This made it far more complicated to determine what plugin would be best for film. However, it did make me aware that different plugins may have better use for specific genres. Ambio might perform best in an action film where sounds are happening all around the listener, whilst Anaglyph would work better for something more dialogue intensive where everything is happening in front. As stated previously, more tests will need to be carried out to determine if this is the case. The part of the project I found most difficult was creating a conclusion from the data gathered from the test, as it was far less clear than I thought it would be. It required me to really look into the results and compare the data, as well as do further research into similar tests being carried out. This is very useful when forming a conclusion, as it made me aware of what others were looking for when carrying out their tests, and how they judged their results.